The Dugard 350G, a large capacity CNC lathe with 2-speed gearbox for high torque applications at a very competitive price. With a maximum swing diameter of 762mm, maximum swing over slide of 600mm, a maximum turning diameter of 560mm, and a turning length of 750mm. The X and Z axes traverses are 290mm and 640mm. Spindle nose is ASA A2-8. The speed range is 30 to 2,500 RPM. It has a 22 kilowatt high power, high torque spindle and a programmable 2-speed gearbox. The bar capacity is 76mm with a 304mm chuck. It has a 10-station bi-directional servo turret with an index time of 0.3 seconds. The standard tool shank size is 25 by 25mm and the maximum boring bar diameter is 50mm. Rapids on both X and Z axes are 20 meters a minute. Standard equipment on the Dugard 350G includes Fanuc OITD control, manual tool setting probe, 304mm hydraulic power chuck, Swarf conveyor and bin, and a standard set of tool holders. Options include Fanuc data server, 380mm chuck, various collet chucks and collets, boring bar holder, brushes, facing tool holder and U-drill holder, and a choice of 1200mm bar feeds with bar support unit for 1500mm bar length. The Dugard 350G is a large capacity CNC lathe with a compact footprint at a very competitive price. For more information, please go to our website www.dugard.com.